In this video, we'll show you how to create a Bitget account using the referral code frbm to receive an exclusive sign-up bonus and a trading fee discount.
Step 1. Click the sign-up link below in the video description or comment section to register. The referral code will be applied automatically when you use the link. Step 2. Enter your correct email address and password. Use the referral code frbm to get a bonus. Then click the Create Account button. Select the following images in the order they appear to verify your identity. After registering, the system will redirect you to the email verification page. Open your email to find the account activation code. Copy the code and paste it into the verification code field below. To finish, tap on the download button to get the app on your phone.
How do I get a verified account on the app to receive a bonus?
Step 1. Log into the app and tap the user icon in the top left corner. Step 2. Tap Verify to start your verification process.
What is the benefit of using the referral link to sign up?
The benefit of using the referral link to sign up is that it automatically applies the referral code, ensuring users receive the bonus without any extra steps.
What should I do if the referral code isn't automatically applied?
If the referral code isn't automatically applied, you can manually copy and paste the provided referral code from the video description into the sign-up process.
What is Bitget Referral Code?
frbm is Bitget Referral Code. This code can be used while creating a new account to claim a $6,200 sign-up bonus and get 20% off all trading fees. Enter referral code frbm during sign-up and claim up to $6,200. You can claim the sign-up bonus just after creating a new account on Bitget with a referral code.
How to claim the welcome bonus?
Step 1. Log into the app and tap the user icon in the top left corner. Step 2. Navigate to the Rewards Hub or Promotions section. Step 3. Browse through the available rewards, which may include trading bonuses, referral rewards, airdrops, or other promotions.
What is Bitget and what services does it offer?
Bitget is a cryptocurrency exchange platform launched in 2018 that has over 100 million users worldwide. It offers various trading options, including spot trading, futures trading, and copy trading.
What is copy trading on Bitget and how does it work?
Bitget's copy trading feature allows users to mirror the trades of professional traders. By following successful traders, users can potentially earn profits from their strategies.
How do I start copy trading on Bitget?
Step 1. Open the Bitget app and tap the user icon in the top left corner. Step 2. Navigate to Bots in the menu. Step 3. Select Bot Copy Trading to explore available trading bots. Step 4. Choose a high-performing bot and start copy trading instantly.
How can I deposit, withdraw, and complete KYC verification?
In the next videos, I'll walk you through how to deposit, withdraw, and complete the KYC process.
How can I download apps and step-by-step guides?
Visit leonacademy.org to find app download links, referral code, promo sign-up bonus code, and complete guides. If you enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to catch the next videos.